This is the bottom of the shirt, no seam. This is the top of the shirt. So the easiest way to do this is push this through here like that. Push it through the second one, and then put your arm in and finish it through these last two here. Okay? If you try to take this and do all four at the same time with one hand, it is going to be very difficult for you to do that. You see the smaller side here. You do the exact same thing. So push it through here. Now the difference is don't yank this, and I wouldn't get aggressive with it anyway, but just pull it straight. So you see here, it's taut. So then you can take this, push it through, and once again, you can stick your arm through, and then you can finish the other two sides. So this is the easiest way that I know of to put in cufflinks. It stops you from having to go through all four layers of fabric. So you have one layer, two layer, three layer, four layers of fabric, and that's just extremely difficult. This is the easier way to do it, in my opinion. If you guys know a better way, please let me know down below. And as I mentioned before, pay attention to this. There is no seam here, but there is on the back side. So that will tell you right away, hey, I'm on the front of the back side. So when you get this, when you get your arm through there, you know it's on the correct side. And with that being said, for daily content, please follow my Instagram account, which is linked down below in the description. And hopefully today is the day that I earn a subscription. And y'all have a wonderful day.